afternoon everyone, is Miss Sudaksha. Today we are doing presentation about bonding content, me and my friends. My friend name is Vasanta Tiwari, Vibhuti Mohta, Sarah Gondari and Survari Oza. Experiment 1 of the demo, white paper does not catch easily. Then after my friend said, liquid material, bonding candle, wet paper, dry paper, magic stick. Now it's time for her. Take a burning candle and place it on a table. Then take a matchstick to burn the candle. Then we have to take a dry paper to check if it catches fire easily or not. As we can see, it burns easily. Then take a wet paper. Then take a wet paper to check if it catches fire easily or not. As we can see, it does not burn easily.